There's one other thing I forgot to mention about taking exams, and that is the formula sheet. So, when you schedule your exam, you want to make sure that you bring with you a calculator and something to write with, but also we are going to be providing you with a laminated formula sheet and periodic table that you can take with you to the exam. So if you look on Canvas, the formula sheet is here. So we've already printed this out. We're laminating it, and we're going to give you a laminated copy of the formula sheet. So this is what it looks like. It's a bunch of definitions, terminology, some things that we don't expect you to memorize, right? So rather than memorizing definitions and terminologies and formulas, we want you to focus on practicing applying those concepts and skills to solving problems, right? That's really where the skill comes in and where the learning is really meaningful. So if you scroll down through the formula sheet, you see there's a lot of information. There's a table that can help you convert from one metric unit to another. You don't have to memorize the metric prefixes, information about how electrons exist in atoms and molecules, and some other useful formulas that, that might be helpful when you're performing calculations and looking at categorizing compounds and things on exams, right? So this will be laminated. We're going to give you one of these to check out for the whole semester. You have to return it at the end. We're reusing those, try to save paper. But make sure you take that with you when you take your exams this semester. And then also, when you go to the testing center, they're going to make you put your cell phone in a locker. So make sure you do that. They have cameras in there so they know if you're doing anything suspicious. So just make sure you have the highest level of academic integrity. There will be a lockdown browser installed on those computers so you can't take the exam with other windows open. You can't be looking on the internet during the exam. As I said, just make sure you also read through the rest of this section about the exams.